What is up YouTube? Welcome back. It's your buddy Technoboy, and in this video I'm gonna do the sound test comparison between these two bookshelf speakers. Right in front of you, you can see that's the DIY speaker and that's the Edifier. So in today's video I'm gonna do the sound test and I'm gonna check how they both sound. But before I start the video, let me tell you that if you're new to my channel, then do subscribe to my channel, and if you like the video, hit the like button. And I have two more channels. You'll find the link in the description below, so go there and check them out. So let me tell you the specs of this thing too. Alright, so let me tell you the specs of these two speakers. That's level as Videocon. You can see the DIY speakers. I made them like 2 years back, and this thing has a 4-inch woofer and a 1-inch silver dome tweeter, and I have put some cotton inside. And also this thing has the passive crossover inside, and this thing is connected to that amplifier. It's a MOSFET amplifier, and this thing has like close to the 4-inch, I think, but not exactly 4-inch woofer, and a 1-inch dome tweeter. And this thing has a class D amp, inbuilt power supply and everything. And this thing has a Bluetooth too, and a fine small remote control. You can see right there. So let's check the sound.
With an arrow in my hand, hear the shadows follow me over the hills in the evergreen. Trade my soul for a chance to carry on into the wild. With an arrow in my hand, hear the shadows follow me over the hills in the evergreen. Trade my soul for a chance to carry on into the wild.
Pour out the bubbles, we holding our liquor down. If it's a problem, I go to the bar and I shut it down. Get out my section, don't bother with lames. I'm watching these bunnies bounce. Shorty, you 10, a rubber band. Come on for the 100 pound. All of this talk, but don't run them out. I'm trying to be out. All I really wanna know, when we leaving. All I really need to know is when we leaving. All I really wanna know, when we leaving. All I really need to know is when we leaving.